Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to find the name of a song on YouTube Shorts. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to find a name of a song that is playing on a YouTube Short, well, there are a few things that you need to do here first. Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Google Play Store here, and you want to look for Shazam. And you want to go install this into your device. Let's go and click on Open. Now, once you have Shazam open in your device, what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and exit this page here. You want to go ahead and open up Google or YouTube here, and you want to open up or play the actual short first. So as an example, I am playing this specific YouTube short. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and just make sure that you have this in full volume, and you want to go ahead and exit the actual page here where it's actually playing, so that's going to play in the background, or you could just open this up in a background, and once you, or in your PC, or you could play or start playing it. You can also copy the link and open up in the browser, depends on your preference. But once you have this playing, you want to go and open up Shazam. Let's go open up Shazam here. And from here, you want to go and just click on the Shazam button that you see here at the center and start recording the actual song. So let's go and just play the song here. Now, once you actually click on the Shazam button, this will basically detect or automatically detect the song that it's currently playing. As you can see here now, there's the song that's playing in the background. Now, from then on, you can go and click on play here if you want to listen to it, or you can even search this on YouTube itself and see if you want to really listen to the full audio. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.